I'm the bookworm, I help us to learn so we can have some fun today. Hey there, it's your friend Bookworm with a very special friend of mine. This is Mr. Stu's brother, Mr. Ethan. Everyone say, hey there, Mr. Ethan.
Hey there, Mr. Ethan.
Hey there, Mr. Ethan. You didn't have to say it, silly. Anyway, we're learning about ninjas today, and there were so many books and so many videos about ninjas. I learned all sorts of things, and I don't know what's true. Mr. Ethan is a real life ninja. Well, kinda. He'll tell you more about that. Mr. Ethan, there are some things I read about ninjas, and I want to set the record straight. Can you tell me more?
I really want to go back to the word, even the word ninja.
Ninja.
It's two words in Japanese, actually. There's nin and ja.
Nin and ja.
And so nin is this character.
Oh, cool.
This means to endure. Or to get through like a hard time.
Get through a hard time.
So it's a person that can get through a hard time.
A ninja.
Yeah. And so this character is actually made up of two other characters. So in Japanese, they draw little pictures instead of writing out like letters.
Oh, wow.
And this character is made up of two smaller characters. This one is a pretty cool one. It means sword. And this one means heart. So it's pretty deep, really.
Hello everyone, welcome to International Ninja Day. Ninjabread cookies. Stark is even so excited he's running around the kitchen. We're gonna make some Ninjabread cookies and we're gonna get to talk to a real life ninja. But right now, Mr. Stu is gonna try to make Ninjabread cookies. And this is something brand new for Mr. Stu. Mr. Stu has never made gingerbread before in his life, but I think we can get through it. One thing that I've learned that helps me a lot, especially when I'm trying a new recipe, is to get all my ingredients and stuff ready before I try to start cooking. Because otherwise I'm running all over the kitchen trying to grab honey or milk or sugar or whatever it might be. So I like to gather everything and put it all together so that all I have to do now is make it. Let's see what it says to do. It says combine cookie mix, butter, honey, and water. Mix until well blended. Take that cookie mix, dump it in here. Actually, the only reason I'm putting it through a sifter is because I bought a sifter. All right, we're gonna put the butter in there. Ooh, if we can get it out. That was a ninja task right there. Honey, okay. Put the honey in. 1 tablespoon of water, so just a bit. Whoop. All right. Mix until well blended. It says 2 to 3 minutes. Dough takes some time to come together, so this is a ninja task that it might take some time and it might be difficult, but we are gonna get through it. Hiya!
What are a ninja's favorite kind of shoe? Sneakers. That, you don't have to laugh, Mr. Ethan, was not
That's my go-to pity.
funny.
Now we mix. Hiya! Hiya, butter! Hiya! Or at least we'll do this to start and then see if that helps. I feel like I've added everything. Let's just add some more water. There we go, look at that. Nice, now it's starting to actually be a cookie dough. All right, this recipe now says to take this dough and put it in the fridge. I'll see you in about 30 minutes. Now our dough has been chilled. We're gonna dump it onto this lightly floured surface. Come on, come on. There we go, got it. And we're gonna put it onto the surface. Now we're gonna roll it out so that I can get it cut into ninja shapes. Sometimes you don't have the right tools for the job. Mr. Stu does not have a rolling pin, so he is using a spray butter bottle to roll out the cookie dough. I've also sprayed down the cookie cutters, my hands, and the surface with this spray butter so that hopefully the cookies will come off easier. So let's see. Just easily so far. And then look! Oh, shoot. Kind of ripped his face a little bit. Well put. Oh, a Ninjabread cookie, but we're gonna redo that one. Take two, let's see if this one comes out. Oh, look, now see, that's a much better gingerbread man. He looks like he's kicking in the air. Now all I need to do is be able to peel him off. Maybe a spatula, that might be the best way. Oh, he's getting kind of mushed, but let's see if we can save him. You know what, maybe not all of our cookies are gonna be perfect. I've got these cookies, some of them look like ninjas, some of them don't. But we're gonna throw them in the oven and see what we can come out with. Sometimes things don't look very good until they're finished.
What is a ninja's favorite drink? I don't know. What is a ninja's favorite drink? Can you guess, Mr. Ethan?
Is it what?
Close. A ninja's favorite drink is punch!
They've been baking for about 10 minutes. It's time to take our cookies. Oh my goodness! Look at what we did! Now it's just time to let them cool, and then we will decorate. Hiya! Now comes the super fun part, and it is time to decorate. I am pretty impressed with our cookies. I think they turned out to look like little ninjas. Remember that your cookies are your creation. There is no right or wrong. Let's see what we can do here. Smear. I'm gonna try to smear the icing around these guys. Let's see though. We can save this. Use our finger. Kind of smear it around here. Gross. So actually what I'm gonna try to do now is to get this icing off of here. In order to become ninjas, these ninjas have to swim through a river of icing. I'm gonna transfer these cookies to a new spot and see what I can do with them if the icing just kind of dries, and we go from there. You know what? These actually turned out decent. I know that they are not these beautiful, artistic Ninjabread cookie. They're just the cookies that have been cut into ninja shapes and coated with icing. But you know what? This was my first time ever doing this. And there were so many times that I could have given up and I didn't. So I am really proud of myself. And I think today, even though our Ninjabread cookies didn't turn out exactly how we wanted, we proved that we have been ninjas. 2020 has been so difficult for so many people. And all of us have faced challenges or new things. I hope that you'll try something new, even if it's scary, and even if it doesn't turn out exactly how you wanted it to, know that you are a ninja because you didn't give up. And until next time, do your best to never give up, just like a ninja, and share the love. Or share the love, I don't know which hand it is better. This has been Mr. Stu, the Ninja. Until next time. Hi!